Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, is reporting that the vexed issue of bank charges for dormant accounts is no more. The disclosure was made by Chairman of the CAC, Kent Gammon, who was speaking at the Commission's quarterly press briefing held at the Courtly Hotel this morning. The CAC provided the results of a recent survey it conducted among the 7 commercial banks operating in Jamaica. The survey conducted between July and September looked at rates and fees relating to 28 commonly used services at the banks. It found that there were no charges for in-branch withdrawals from basic savings accounts for most banks. However, the nation's 2 largest banks, the Bank of Nova Scotia, charges the highest at $385 and National Commercial Bank, NCB, charges $384.45. NCB had the lowest annual credit card fee of $1,700. CIBC, First Caribbean International Bank, has the highest at $6,500. As it relates to the use of ATM cards, Scotiabank has the highest fee for ATM withdrawals at $60, while CIBC First Caribbean has the highest charge for mini statements at $30. Declined ATM attempts attract $16 at Scotiabank, the highest among the banks, and $12 at CIBC First Caribbean, which is the lowest. Scotiabank charges the highest rate of $385 for check encashment, both the bank's check and third-party checks. Some fees registered marginal and significant reductions, while some banks removed fees to pay utility bills in branch. Currency traded ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.07. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $95.15. The pound sterling is going for $169.71, while the euro costs $148.54. The country's trade deficit jumped 21% between January and September as oil imports surged over the period. The data showed that trade deficit reached $3.2 billion in the period as oil imports rose above $1 billion. The value of oil imports was up 55% from a year ago due to both higher prices and consumption. Exports also performed creditably, but its growth of 11% was not enough to prevent the trade deficit from widening. The JSE index ended lower for a 9th straight day to close down 1,853 points, while the junior market index lost 21 points. The winners of the day included Cable and Wireless, Carreras, JMMB Group, Lasco Manufacturing, Pan Jam, and Supreme Ventures. And on the losing end were 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cream, Jamaica Producers, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, Paramount Trading, Sagicor Group, and Seprod. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.